Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope these holidays are filled with so many blessings, love, laughter, and so much yummy food. From my family to yours, I hope you have a wonderful one. Feliz Navidad para todos. De mi familia para ti, espero que estas fiestas estén llenas de amor, risas, comida deliciosa y muchísimas bendiciones. Con mucho amor de mi parte, feliz Navidad. Hi everyone, welcome back and Merry Christmas to everyone. Hola a todos, bienvenidos de vuelta y feliz Navidad para todos. Everybody has been missing my burping video, so I wanted to take a chance in this holidays to do a new one for you from the bottom of my heart to your screen. So I hope you enjoy. Muchas de las personas han estado extrañando mis videos en donde eructo, así que quería hacer ahora que estamos en las fiestas, uno nuevo para que disfruten desde el fondo de mi corazón hasta tu pantalla. Espero que les guste. Quick update. I have this bubbly, is raspberry flavor. I have not tried it. This is going to be my first time. So I am going to adhere to the regular bubbly waters and just a new flavor situation. And on the lid on the top, it says yo-yo. So let's go. Cheers to you, my friend. It smells delicious. And it says contains 0% juice. Okay. Ooh, it's so bubbly. Let's make this one a good one. Ooh, it tastes like raspberry. That's awesome. I like this one. I've always liked this brand. Bubbly is very light. It doesn't gives you that sensation of very heavy flavorings. So I really like that. I appreciate the fact that when I taste it, it actually tastes like fruit, even though it doesn't have any juice, but it's not super strong. I appreciate that. Wow, that is actually delicious. I have like this amount left, so I'm gonna try to just finish it all up. Not fast, but trying to sip it and slurp it. You can hear the gas in the bottom. If you could. Every time I actually pick it up, I can hear the gas. They did not disappoint. They meant bubbly. We have bubbly. This much left, like over here. Oh wow. It wouldn't be me if I don't do my silly moves, huh? Okay. Okay, wait. Ooh, it's cold. My hands are very, very cold. Okay. I still have some. Yo. Let's finish this. Okay, I haven't done a size like this size in so long. Before I was doing with you guys the 1 liter of something. Now I'm coming back to the normal a small amount. Okay. Whew. Okay. I have some left. There's some at the bottom. Ooh, I can feel it in my throat. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. There is some more left. There it is. Ooh, okay. Love the flavor. There's only a little bit left, like a small sip. I'm gonna have to like really. Those last bits, the ones that I wish I had a straw to actually drink it all. Okay, so raspberry bubbly. Love it. Especially this. This is the cutest thing. The way this is yo-yo. I don't even know if they mean like yo for Christmas or just yo. Drink me. But... okay. Okay, wait. Whew. Uh, uh, whew. Oh, I can hear my belly. Okay. Take a step back, step forward. Oh, wow. Okay, they're over here. They're over here. I feel them. Okay. Excuse me. It's right here on my stomach. Okay, right there. Ooh. There you go. Look right there. Okay. I can hear my belly. Okay. 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 I'm cold. Okay. Oh, that tasted exclusively as raspberries. Okay. Um, that's something else. Um, I'm sorry. It is fair for me to highlight in English that this might not be of your liking. I apologize if it's not. Please just keep looking forward to the content that you like and disregard this video If you are a fan, thank you so much for watching and your support, your comments, your feedback. It means everything to me. Thank you for being a supporter of my channel and the community that I'm trying to create. Now, having said that, I deeply apologize if this created disgust or embarrassment or anger in you. I'm sorry, and I'm hoping that you're having a good holidays. Now, having said that, I think I still have to burp. Uh, 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 Whew. Whew. That feels pretty good. That feels so much better. Once again, I want to say thank you to you for watching my channel, both English and Spanish. Nuevamente, eso se sintió muy bien ahora que pude eructar. Quiero agradecerte nuevamente por haber mirado mi canal y por el apoyo que me has brindado durante estos últimos años al intentar crear mi comunidad y este tipo de contenido. Ahora, si tienes algún tipo de contenido favorito, siempre puedes colocarlo en los comentarios, ya que siempre los leo y los tendré en consideración para mi próximo video. Now, if you watch my content, I want you to remember that you can always comment on the videos and tell me what you're looking for and what you like on in here, in this community. Remember that I always read my comments and I'm keeping in mind what my fans like to make my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, that you are well and safe, and I will see you, read you soon again. Espero que hayan disfrutado este video nuevamente. Te veré y te leeré muy pronto y espero que mientras tanto tengan salud, estén bien y estén teniendo una feliz Navidad. Cuídense. Bye.